So we're out here on Lions Head and I'm with my friend Patrice. We are hiking with the 20 kg ball.
All the way from Mauritius.
He's working hard. There he goes. He's working hard. Moving hard. No breaks. He refuses to accept any. He's refusing to give in. He's refusing to give up. This man doesn't want to pass the baton. I'm telling him, let me help you, help me. When climbing the line, he put it himself. Let's again. Yeah. In stage 2 of stage 3, a lie, of Lions Head. This man is still carrying on the ball. Yeah. Great. And powered through, persevered, in pain, sorting his balls off, and he made it.